That first clip is what we all want. The second clip is the frustrating reality for most creators. In 2026, the gap between a good camera and a perfect vlogging camera has never been wider. We carried 5 of the most hyped cameras for a month, through crowded streets, into low-light cafes, on hectic travels, to find the truth. One had autofocus so bad it felt betrayed. Another had battery life that died during the perfect moment. But hidden among the overhyped gear was a single camera, a tool that didn't just record my life. It disappeared, letting me finally just create. Number 1. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This vlogging camera features a 1-inch CMOS sensor and records in 4K resolution at an impressive 120 frames per second. Capture breathtaking night views and sunsets with enhanced clarity. Effortlessly frame your shots. Get the ideal composition with Osmo Pocket 3's expansive 2-inch touch screen that rotates for both horizontal and vertical shooting. Ultra-steady footage, say goodbye to shaky videos. Osmo Pocket 3's advanced 3-axis mechanical stabilization delivers superb stability. Enjoy smooth footage while dancing, chasing pets, or vlogging. Create captivating vlogs with ActiveTrack 6.0, stay effortlessly in focus as you record on the go. Set Osmo Pocket 3 up on a tripod and jump, dance, or spin, but remain center frame. Number 2. SJCAM C300 Vlogging Combo. The C300 Action-Cam video filming camera adopts a dual battery design. Enjoy uninterrupted recording with the C300 Action camera's impressive long battery life, and can be used continuously for up to 420 minutes after a full charge. Capture all your adventures without worrying about running out of battery. With stabilization, pocket camera. Underwater camera waterproof, the travel camera is equipped with an IP68 waterproof housing. Whether you're diving, biking or skiing, this camera's housing is designed to withstand the harshest conditions, ensuring you don't miss any great moments. Ideal for sports enthusiasts who need reliable camera performance. Super stabilization and noise reduction. The C300 Action camera is equipped with 2.0 stabilization and noise reduction functions. Whether used for intense outdoor sports shooting or daily recording, it can effectively reduce image shake and provide more stable and clear shooting effects. It also can effectively identify human voices and reduce background noise, improve sound quality in various scenarios, and enhance the user's audio or video experience. Number 3. Xtra Muse Vlogging Camera. Experience the power of Xtra Muse's 1-inch CMOS sensor, capable of recording breathtaking 4K resolution videos at 120 frames per second. Capture each moment with remarkable detail. Ultra-steady shooting, no more shaky videos. Xtra Muse's advanced 3-axis gimbal camera stabilizer ensures exceptional smoothness. Enjoy smooth footage while dancing, running, or hiking. Effortless framing. Enjoy Xtra Muse's expansive 2-inch touch screen, and switch between horizontal and vertical shooting effortlessly. Brand new color grading. True 10-bit X-Log color modes deliver up to 1 billion colors and achieve stunning visual effects during post-production. Ideal for shooting sunrises and sunsets. Stay eye-catching with Master Follow. Stay effortlessly in focus while you are on the move. Mount Xtra Muse up on a tripod and jump, dance, or spin, but remain at the center of the frame. Number 4. SJCAM C400 Vlogging Combo. The C400 Vlogcam delivers incredibly realistic 4K Ultra HD resolution. Every detail is exquisitely rendered. A 154 degrees distortion-free wide-angle lens provides an immersive, expansive view, allowing you to easily capture magnificent landscapes. The f2.0 large aperture significantly improves low-light performance, creating a captivating shallow depth of field effect. The C400 is not just a first-person view, POV, camera but also becomes your capable handheld companion for daily vlog creation. 6-axis Advanced Image Stabilization System, equipped with 6-axis Electronic Image Stabilization, EIS, and horizon correction, ensuring smooth and clear videos even during action shots or in shaky environments. Offers multiple shooting modes, loop recording, slow-motion video, time-lapse photography, burst shooting, and timed shooting. Number 5. DJI Osmo 360 Camera Standard Combo. Big views, brilliant quality, groundbreaking 1-inch 360 degrees imaging. 1. Delivers excellent low light for sharper shots on every adventure. Now with 8K per 30 frames per second 360 degrees video, perfect for outdoor sports and travel. Stunning, day or night, capture every detail with 8K 360 degrees videos and store them effortlessly with 105 GB built-in storage. Whether you're exploring city nights or chasing sunrise, your 360 camera delivers crisp, vibrant panoramas, even in low light. No pole, all action. 1.2mm invisible selfie stick turns your Osmo 360 into a cameraman that follows you. Shoot super smooth 4K per 120 frames per second and magical third-person angles. Perfect for skiing, carve, jump, and relive every run. Ultra high-res 360 degrees photo. Capture your world in breathtaking detail with this 360 camera. Your voice matters, and the right tool should amplify it, not fight you. To start creating with the same gear that passed our brutal real-world test, every camera, microphone, and accessory from this review is linked for you in the description below. Did this help you find your perfect creative partner? Give this video a like. Share it with a creator who's struggling with their gear, and subscribe, because next week, we're revealing the one lighting setup that works for every room, even on a $50 budget. Now go tell your story.